Hey guys, it's John ReelBlue Custom Rods and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about adding decals, and two-sided decals, if you will, specifically here. And so what I'm going to do is, I did in a previous video, I did my ferrule wrap. And then what I did is I just carried the finish from the ferrule wrap all the way up to the next guide wrap. So I can add my decal. You know, I decided I want to put this decal essentially right here. So one of the things I want to show you, I think that's pretty important to understand about this, especially if you've had some decals, maybe they're your logo decals and you've had them for a while, and you know, just haven't been using a lot of them, or you know, you bought them in bulk and you're finally getting down to some that you haven't, you know, touched yet. What I like to do just to make sure everything goes smoothly, I like to use the rounded edge of my burnishing tool, and I like to rub the back corner, if you will, or one of the corners of the decal. And the reason why I do that, I want to make sure that I get a good, actually, all the way down to here where the decal is at. And what I'm trying to do is make sure I get good adhesion when I peel the back off. I want that decal, that front part of that decal, to come right off with that. So that is why I do that. And then all I do is I work to find a spot and I'm hoping that looks straight. And it's not, it's a little crooked. So that's why I never lay it quite down all the way, so I can peel and adjust a little bit. And that's it right there. That is what I want. And now all I'm going to do, now I want to come in with the burnishing tool and rub that decal in. All right. And I just like to use my burnishing tool, go along the edges, on the sides there, make sure I got good adhesion. And then I'll come back and peel that top part off. And then I want to take this piece of tape off I had here. That was doing such a good job until I applied pressure, and I'll stick that back on there. Now, I know I've been asking you guys if anyone can guess what this rod is, right? Orange and black, and I said sport, so I've got Broncos, Mets, Florida Gators. I've gotten a lot of responses, and I purposely had not responded to any of them or said if anyone was correct or not correct. I'm still not going to say what it is. It is a sports team, but I think when I give this away, it'll be too obvious. So this is a pretty significant number and a date. So number 21,658 on May 30th, 2018. So now I'm just going to kick it up a little bit here. Which person was the 21,658th person inducted into Major League Baseball on May 30th, 2018. So that pretty much tells you what the theme of this rod is. Now let's see. So I'll just say it, right? So this is going to be a New York Mets rod. I hope I'm living up to expectations here on this one. And again, I think this is pretty awesome to have a date of, 21,658, person inducted into Major League Baseball, and on the 30th of May, 2018. Now, do you know who that person is and or what position they played on the team? Let me know in the comments block. Thanks for watching, guys. make sure you guys watch this next video here. Hope this helps. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye.